Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So today let's do some color. If you're afraid of color, don't try this, you guys, but if you're not afraid of color, try these colors. So if you want to see, keep watching, my friend. So guys, I already prepped my eyes, do my foundation. So for, you have some mature lady out there like myself that don't afraid of color. So today let's do some color from this palette here. So let's start off with this color. So today I am going to go into the color and I am going to apply a red color, really red, to my eyes. This is the first color that I am going to use. It's a matte color and this is how it look like. This color is really not easy to come off when using it, so make sure you have some really nice makeup wipe to clean off this color that I'm applying to my eyes here, you guys. So I really love this color. I love the palette. It is amazing palette and I really wanted to try out the red. This is, let's show you guys how this red look here. This is how the red look, you can see. So I am trying out this red color today and my eyes, you guys. I think I'm going to use about 2 or 3 color from this palette. You can't get tired of these color. These color are really beautiful. This eyeshadow is a really nice eyeshadow palette and it's not something for you to get, you know, bored from. These are color that I would wear anytime. I don't care what time, but I would just wear these color at all time. Whether for the summer, winter, fall, or spring, it doesn't matter to me. Some people just wear a certain color, like, you know, when certain time, but as for me, because I love color so much, I always make sure that I wear color. Look at this red. Can you see this red, you guys? How beautiful this red look. Wow, it is a really beautiful red. So I'm bringing it up underneath my brow bone, close to my brow bone, not way in the brow bone, but certain part of the brow bone. And I think I'm gonna use 3 colors today from this. So let's see how they do blend. So I am going to go into the yellow. This one here, this is really of a bright yellow. It's a bit on the powdery side, so whenever you're going to pick it up, you can see you have to like really knock it off. And I'm gonna put it over here underneath the brow bone to catch the color that I'm putting on here. And you know, funniest thing, I didn't really know about this eyeshadow palette. It was a friend of mine who really told me about it. And because these colors, for you to get them, you have to order from the state. So that's why I didn't really like bother to really get these. So I'm using this yellow also to even out the red on top there. But this yellow, it's a little bit powdery, but I don't mind because, you know, it do really pretty. It's really of a pretty color. And I'm trying to blend out this yellow underneath my eyes, you guys. So I am going to use the other part of the brush here, which is this part. So I use this front part for the yellow and I'm going to use this part back into the red, and I'm going in again in the red here This red, it blends so good, you guys. Really, really nicely, this blend, this red blend. So I used this color last week, and I'm going to go back into this color right here, this one, and I'm gonna put it on the center of my lid, which is like a lime green here, and I'm just gonna put it on my lid. You can do what color suit you. As for me, if I buy an eyeshadow palette and that palette doesn't have in really nice color, you have to have some form of color. I like natural eye look, but I also like mostly to go with color that I think suit me more than anything. Now this lime green is like a pigmentish color. It does also have a little fallout on it in the pan, but I don't mind. So I'm gonna go back into the red here, and I'm gonna even out this color here that I just applied, the lime green. I'm gonna go back in the red here. Right here you can see, and I am going to apply it to even out this lime green that I put on the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm going to use the same red here, just catch underneath my eye here as an eyeliner also. I think I'm using the wrong brush for this, but it's okay. I'll take my time and to work this red underneath here. So I'm gonna go back in the red and put it over here, and then just blend it out. So you guys, I'm gonna clean up and then I'm going to come back. So my friend, today I do this red and this color here, which is a lime green pigment. So I only have 2 pigment in this eyeshadow palette. I'm sorry that I did not get more pigment. So I only have this one here and this one. So for today's look, I use this one, which is a deep red. Oh wow, this is like a blood red, you guys. And then I also go in above my crease bone with this yellow here, and then I go in with the lime green at my inner corner here. So this is the final look of the Nomad eyeshadow palette. I already do a look on it, but because I love this color so much, I decide to do another look. Now, this is my look, you guys. I hope you do enjoy. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel. Also give me a thumbs up, turn on notification bell that when I do upload a video you can be notified. I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you